All right, what's up? This is my 2015 BMW r1200rt, and I'm just gonna do a quick video here. So I just put the GPR full exhaust on it. So I put the GPR replacement header on it. As you can see there, it gets rid of the catalytic converter, and there's the GPR carbon can there. So it was pretty easy to install. Probably took me about it might have took me an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours tops. Once you get the old header off, which isn't too hard, it goes on pretty easy. But anyway, I am running it with one of the baffles in. You can't really see it there, but there's an internal baffle that I put on. It does have a second baffle that goes in here, but I tried it with no baffles. It was extremely loud. I mean, it's still pretty loud with just the one baffle, but with no baffles it was really loud. So I installed both baffles, and then it was too quiet, almost sounded stock. So now I removed the outer baffle, and it just has the internal baffle, which you can't really see, but it's down in there. And it definitely mellowed it a little bit. It's not as raspy. It's not super obnoxious, but it is still pretty loud with just the one baffle. But I think it sounds really good, if you don't mind an aggressive sounding exhaust. But anyway, I'm gonna start it up, let you guys take a listen here. Tell me what you think. And the bike is warm. I just got done riding, so I'm not revving up a cold engine. So that's it at idle. I think at idle it sounds pretty good. It's not too loud. Rev it up a couple times for you here. All right, so there you go. Once again, 2015 BMW r1200rt. I got the GPR full exhaust. Comes with the cat delete header. I got it from their website, the GPR website. I think altogether it cost me about 700 bucks. Maybe it was about 750. But I think it's pretty good. It looks really good. So far, I've had it on the bike a couple weeks. I think the quality is really good, and I think it adds a lot to the bike. Anyway, let me know what you think. All right, see ya.